Ever wonder why some crypto traders in Canada seem to be keeping way more of their profits than you are? After years of moving my own money through various platforms, I've realized it isn't just about what you buy, it's about the ecosystem you build around your exchange. Newton is arguably the best home base for Canadians because of the zero fee on-ramps, but if you're only using the basic buy button, you're missing out on the tools that actually make the platform powerful. Here's the toolkit I use to manage my portfolio effectively. 1. Newton Pro, the spread killer. The biggest mistake I see is people sticking to the standard interface for large trades. While Newton technically has zero commissions, they make their money on the spread. For most, that's fine, but if you're moving significant volume, you need to use Newton Pro. It gives you access to an actual order book with much tighter spreads and deeper liquidity. It's the difference between losing 1% to the spread and losing practically nothing. 2. TradingView integration. Don't try to analyze charts on a tiny mobile screen. Newton has built-in TradingView charts on their desktop web app. I use this to set my limit orders. Instead of market buying at whatever price is active, I look at the support levels on the TradingView interface and set a limit order. It's a set-it-and-forget-it tool that ensures I never overpay during a momentary price spike. 3. CoinLedger for one-click taxes. The CRA is getting strict, and tracking adjusted cost base manually is a nightmare. Newton has a direct integration with CoinLedger. I don't manually input anything, I just sync my Newton account via API or export the CSV into the tool. It automatically categorizes my trades, rewards, and transfers. If you're active on the platform, this isn't an option, it's a necessity to stay compliant without losing your mind in April. 4. The $5 surge subsidy. This is more of a built-in feature, but it's a tool you have to time correctly. Newton covers the first $5 of network fees when you withdraw crypto to an external wallet. I always keep an eye on gas trackers, like Etherscan for ETH or Mempool.space for Bitcoin. By timing my withdrawals to when the network isn't congested, that $5 subsidy often makes my transfer completely free. It's the best way to move your assets into cold storage without fee-bleeding your stack. 5. Coinly, the alternative portfolio tracker. If you use more than just Newton, maybe you have a hardware wallet or use a DEX, Coinly is the tool I use to see the big picture. Newton is great for buying, but Coinly pulls the data from Newton and my other wallets to show me my total unrealized gains in real time. It's my dashboard for making sure my overall Canadian dollar-denominated portfolio is actually growing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.